lmaoo. Alright, here's how to play Packet Sniper, you moron. This simple game will improve your aim in competitive games like CSGO. So watch till the end. First, click this. Then the login sign up button. Register if you don't already have an account. And this is open sourced, so we won't take your data, you dumb fuck. Then click this. You can see the leaderboard and your account. Click this to begin the game. This may take a time to load, so wait, or else get the f out of here. Cool, now you can play Packet Sniper. Destroy the red and yellow packets, they are malicious. If you see a quantum packet like this, then be grateful, as this is a very rare packet, 0.01% chance of spawning. Destroying it will give you firewall shield, so it's an auto-clicker for malicious packets, so you can chill. And enables power mode, which is just a special name for chill mode. Okay, here's some epic gameplay footage, so chill. Okay, hopefully you didn't sleep. How to view your stats? Just press this button, you moron, it's that simple. Click here to view the credits. This game is fully open sourced on GitHub. Click this to view the source code. You can fully edit, modify, and mod this game. BTW, Vibe coded this in 3 days, so please ignore all the error mess. If you are a developer, please help fix this piece of shit codebase. And to play this, go to packetsniper.netlify.app. Bye, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.